Year 3, it's Mrs. Gray here. This is going to be our Friday maths lesson. So I'm going to do our lesson every Friday for you, and we're going to focus on times tables. So I'm going to find you some games to play and show you how to do them. We'll find some different activities for you to do every Friday as well. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do this week is, I'm going to share it with you, is we're going to, as our warm-up, play Hit the Button. And I can find it, there it is. So what you need to do, if you've never played it before, but I think lots of you already have, is that you need to go onto Google and you need to type in Hit the Button on there, and then it should come up as the first one, and you click into that for it, and then it should load up. There it is, perfect. And we're going to do our times table practice. So you need to go onto where it says times tables and click onto that one. Now, if you are in circles, you need to be looking at your 3 times table this week for me. If you are in squares, you need to be looking at your 4 times table. And if you are a hexagon, I want you to play your 8 times table. So depending on which group you're in will depend on which times table you will play. So I'm going to show you with the 3 times tables to help the circles out this week. Okay, so you just click on the orange button and it loads it up. So you need to be ready, and I'm going to show you how to play it. And whatever score I get, I want you to keep playing circles until you can beat my score. Okay, so I might need a little bit of thinking time. Okay, you're doing it at home in the comfort of your own home, so you should be quicker than me. Okay, so you have to keep trying until you can beat my score that I get on here. So let's see how I do. So you can see you get 1 minute and it will give you a score at the bottom, but I won't worry about that. I'd focus on what the calculations are. Okay, so we can start playing, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I do all right. So I've got 4 times 3, 10 times 3, I know is 30. 6 times 3, I know is 18, but I can't, but there it is. You've got to find it. Oh, that's an easy one. I've got 4 times 3 again. 12 times 3, I know 11 times 3 is 33, so 12 must be 36. That's an easy one again. 6 times 3, we're searching for it. 2 times 3, I know my 2 times table. Oh, got that one again. 9 lots of 3 is 3 less than 10 lots, isn't it? So 30 take away 3. Oh, I've got the same one again. Keep giving me that one. Oh, I know this one. 33. I've got 9 times 3 again. 12 times 3. Oh, 3 lots of 3. Oh, it's counting me down. Oh, I've run out of time. So I got 15 out of 15. Okay, so in the minute time that you've got circles when you're playing it, you need to beat me. You've got to try and get more than 15, which I think you can. Might take you a few more practices at it, but keep trying, okay, because this is our maths lesson for this week. Squares, you play the 4 times table game and see what score you can get, and then try, play it again, see if you can beat your own score. And then you can play it again, try and beat that score and see if you can get your personal best score. And the hexagons, you're doing the 8 times table. And again, see if you can play it a few times and see if you can get better and beat your score each time. So once you've played that game on there, I've then popped in a worksheet as well for you to, again, practice your times table, which ones I've told you to do on there. So, I don't know if that's shared properly on there. Let me stop a second. I'm not sure. Let me go onto here. There we go. So this is the sheet that you're going to have in the on the OneDrive for mum or dad or someone to print out for you. Okay, and it's called Times Table Shapes. You need to write your times tables inside the different shapes so it fits in nice and neatly as well. And it's a nice one as well, because I know lots of you are really creative, so you can use different colours, you can use different styles of writing as well, but it needs to fit in each of the different shapes that I've put on here for you. Okay, so let's just check. So we put in our 1 times 3 or 1 times 4 or 1 times 8, depending on which one you're doing in that one. 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9 times, 10 times, 11 times, and 12 times will go in that one at the end. Okay, so you've got 12 shapes to do. So you just fill each shape with your times table. So I've got some to show you because I have done it in school this week already. Here. So I hope, I should get rid of that and make myself bigger so you can see me there. Okay, so this is one. I know it might be back to front, but I just wanted to give you an idea of how to fill in each box. So you write out your times table and you make it nice and big so it fills the shape of the box on there. Okay, so it might not look the right way around for you, I'm not sure, but it gives you an idea. You can use different colours as well. You might want to do bubble writing. So if you're really good at that, you could use bubble writing and colour those in as well. Another example here for you as well to practice. Now this person, still seeing me, this person has put their times tables in and then they've decorated the rest of the box as well. So they've put in some swirls and some dots and some squares on there as well to fill the boxes in as well. So you're still practicing writing out your times tables, but we're making it a little bit more fun and a little bit more decorative on there. So it's still practice, but in a fun, exciting way for you to do. So that's your first times table lesson that I want you to do this week on there. So you've got to hit the button for either circles, 3 times tables, squares doing 4 times tables, or hexagons doing their 8 times tables. Try and play it at least 3 times and see if you can beat your score. And circles, you have to try and beat my score on there as well. Okay, and then you can email me and let me know if you did manage to do it as well. And then you've got the shape worksheet to do afterwards. So that's our nice fun Friday times table lesson. That's our first one we're going to do this week. Okay, so I hope you enjoy it and I'll see you soon. All right, bye.